name is Draupathy and I'm from Kochi, Kerala. It's a state in India, and I'm a UX designer here. And in terms of Tampere, they have been always inviting to foreigners and to people from different cultures, especially students. Tampere is a student city. I work with Finns, but I don't see them as Finns anymore. It's just like my colleagues. And I'm sure they don't see me as an Indian anymore, because that's just part of my identity. There are so many other things about me that they see. Basically, everyone is just human, and just if you just talk to people, you just get to know them better. Yeah, in terms of integration here, I think being with my friends or the circle that I have has been like one of the most important things that has happened, because I don't think I could, be this free or like be okay with being here without this group of people. So it's like a whole bunch of people with a whole different perspective about everything and with their own backgrounds. We kind of gel together well. For me, making food from home is one of the ways that I can stay Indian. The only way that I can bring back something is bringing the spices back from home, or cooking Indian food for myself or my friends. I think the concept of home keeps changing. Like when you're younger, it's more like where your parents are. That is home to you. When you grow a bit older, you wanna go somewhere else, just to explore, and so you try to make home out of wherever you are. My name is Draupathy and I'm from Kerala, India, and Tampere is my home.